In this video, I'll walk you through Grand Design's Imagine XLS 22Mle. It's a lightweight, open space concept couples trailer that's easily towable by a half-ton truck or a large SUV. So stick around and check it out. If this is your first time to the channel and you want to grow your knowledge around trucks, towing, and all things RV and camping related, start now by subscribing and click that bell notification so you don't miss a thing. This year I attended the 2020 Halifax RV Show, and at the show was when I met up with Jeff Moerchen. Jeff is a product rep from Grand Design, and Jeff had come up from Middlebury, Indiana to give Mike Porter and his team from Blue Nose RV a hand at the RV Show. So let's go meet up with Jeff now. Hey Jeff.
Hey, how's it going?
Good. So what unit do you have for us today to walk through?
Today we're in front of the 22Mle. It's part of our Imagine XLS series. This series is geared towards our half-ton towables and some SUVs. So 22Mle is a new floor plan. MLE stands for mid-lounge area. One thing that's really cool about our XLS is we don't take any quality or construction out of it. It's just usually a little bit shorter, and the interior height's going to be a little lower. So let's go inside and I'll show you around. So one thing that's so impressive about this floor plan is that it's 26 foot 1 inch from the coupler all the way to the bumper. So it's a very short unit, so you can get in and out of state parks and really have a lot of accessibility to different places. It's going to be about 5,175 pounds dry. But you can see here we do not have a wall enclosing the bedroom. We preferred the curtain. And that's so this is a couples coach, so you just have this really wide open living space here. Under here, if you want to point down, we have shoe storage. We've been adding this in all of our XLS series, which is really nice, just to get those shoes out of the way. We have motion sensor lights when you walk in, which is great. That way you have access to your control panel without searching for a light switch. What people are really seeming to love about this unit is that you have this seating arrangement. So you have a booth and then also your theater seats on this side. Typically, a coach this size, you're only gonna have one seating option, so you have to choose between the theater seats or the booth, but here we put both in. The TV placement is also perfect for the theater seats over here, and then you can sit here and have your dinner. This table will go up and down. You just release these switches right here, and you can push this table down.
Oh wow.
And turn that into a bed if you had guests over. So it really does kind of complete the experience for the user. You can have people here, but it's not a long-term stay.
That's a nice solid table, because usually the ones with the pipes, they got a little bit of
shake. Yeah. And this you can tighten it up and also adjust it a little bit so it's not shaking around or anything like that. We totally revamped the interiors of all of our Imagines. We went with something called a Pebble Decor, and you'll see here, it's called a buffalo check pattern. You can switch this, so you can just make it one color or you can make it two. Another great thing about this is that we have the 8 cubic foot refrigerator. We upgraded that from a 6, so that's a huge refrigerator in this size unit. Here we have what I call kind of a panoramic or wraparound kitchen. Obviously your stove, microwave, countertop space, and then I love this, that you have windows in your kitchen area. We use a true wood cabinetry on all of our faces, and then a lumber core interior on all of our cabinetry as well. What we don't want to use is any MDF, so we don't have any off-gassing or formaldehyde, things like that. Just a better experience for the user.
I really like the handle design in these too. It's
yeah,
quite different.
It's a much more modern styling inside of the unit.
More residential.
Yeah. And then if you want to take a look at the bathroom, these are really great. We updated these poles. They just look a lot more classy. And then we have a sliding door here. So you really get a decent sized bathroom in this size unit. There's always a skylight in the shower. And then this door right here squeegees the water off, and then it's antimicrobial. And it's an extremely durable door.
Better than a curtain that's going everywhere.
Yeah, exactly. You know, water's not falling out of the unit or anything like that.
So you can see on the slide out here, we've got the stove, the fridge, and those beautiful 2 recliners. It really opens up the space.
There's one thing I forgot to mention, which is we have the blackout roller shades. That was an update as well. But yeah, if you have a chance to get to a dealer's lot and check out the 22Mle, I think you'll be very pleased with it. If this is the size unit you're looking for, we're definitely excited about it. So thanks for your time.
Thanks, Jeff. Thanks a lot for your time.
Yeah, thanks a lot.
Okay. So thanks for joining me on the walkthrough. Just want to let you know that Grand Design did not pay me for this, nor did Blue Nose RV. It was a nice little unit that I noticed at the RV show, and I thought it was something that might appeal to one of you out there. If you liked the video, give us a thumbs up. Feel free to share it with your friends as well. And to continue to grow your knowledge around all things RV and camping related, check out some other videos on my channel. Please subscribe and turn on the bell notifications. That way it'll make sure you get front row seats to all new content on the channel. Take care, and I'll see you next time.